How technology transforms humanity, progress, power, and risk. From the first stone tools to artificial intelligence, technology has shaped the evolution of human society. It's not just about convenience or innovation, it's about transformation. Every tool we've ever created has changed how we live, think, and relate to one another. The first major breakthroughs were physical: fire, the wheel, agriculture. These tools made life more stable, supported growing populations, and led to the formation of cities and governments. With agriculture came irrigation, food storage, and trade, all enabled by new technologies. Fast forward to the Industrial Revolution. Machines powered by steam and electricity replaced human labor. This was not just about speed, it reshaped the workforce, gave rise to cities, and introduced a new class dynamic. Philosopher Karl Marx saw this and argued that industrial technologies didn't just build factories, they defined the relationships between people and capital. By the 20th century, we entered the information age. The invention of the computer, and later the internet, turned technology into something invisible yet powerful, embedded in everything from communication to finance to healthcare. Philosopher Marshall McLuhan noted that every new medium changes how we perceive reality. The printing press enabled mass literacy. The internet changed the pace and shape of human knowledge. But with power comes complexity. Technology doesn't exist in a vacuum. It plays a key role in geopolitics and security. The development of nuclear weapons during World War II marked the beginning of a new kind of arms race, one in which technology could decide the fate of entire nations. The Cold War saw countries competing not just in ideology, but in scientific and military advancement. Today, we're in the midst of another arms race, this time with digital tools, artificial intelligence, hypersonic missiles, and cyber capabilities. Nations are investing heavily in autonomous drones, surveillance systems, and AI-powered warfare. These developments can enhance security, but they also raise concerns about escalation, misinformation, and control. Military applications of AI, for example, include real-time battlefield analysis, automated decision-making, and autonomous weapons. Unlike traditional arms races, where deterrence could maintain balance, autonomous systems could lead to rapid, unpredictable conflict. Once a system makes a decision, there may be no time for human intervention. And the race isn't just among states. Private companies are developing dual-use technologies, those that can serve both civilian and military functions. This blurs the line between commercial innovation and national security, making regulation more complicated. Technology has also transformed civilian life in profound ways. Smartphones, cloud computing, and social media have changed how we work, socialize, and access information. But with these changes come challenges: data privacy, algorithmic bias, digital addiction, and economic displacement through automation. Artificial intelligence can improve healthcare diagnostics or help us combat climate change, but it can also be used for mass surveillance or misinformation at scale. As philosopher Nick Bostrom has pointed out, the more powerful the technology, the more carefully we must consider how it's controlled. The future holds even more complexity. Brain-computer interfaces, genetic engineering, and quantum computing could unlock new capabilities, but also create new risks. Space technology, for instance, opens opportunities for exploration but also militarization of orbits. We're not just building tools anymore. We're building systems that can make decisions, replicate themselves, and influence human behavior, at speed and scale. That's why careful governance, ethical frameworks, and international cooperation will be critical. In summary, technology has always played a central role in shaping who we are and how we live. It brings progress, but also power. It enables peace, and creates new forms of conflict. As we advance into the next era of innovation, understanding both the opportunities and the dangers will help us make more informed, balanced decisions. Subscribe to our channel to explore more insights on how technology shapes humanity, past, present, and future.